Hey there, have you ever dreamed of creating jaw-dropping videos without spending hours editing or needing pro-level skills? Thinking face well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you how to create wonderful AI-generated videos that'll blow your audience's minds. Sparkles, whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or just someone who loves creating content, this video is for you. So, stick around, you don't want to miss this. From professional-looking intros to cinematic animations, AI tools are changing the game. And guess what? You don't need to be a tech wizard to use them. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's unlock the secrets to making your very own AI-powered masterpiece. Before we dive in, let's talk about why AI-generated videos are so powerful. First off, they save time. Tons of time. Imagine turning a simple idea into a polished video in minutes. AI tools can help with 1. Script writing. 2. Visual creation. 3. Adding subtitles, music, and more. And the best part? They're super affordable, or even free. You don't need a big budget to make an impact. AI is leveling the playing field for creators like us. Alright, let's jump into the how-to. I'll break it down into 3 easy steps. Step 1. Plan your content. Start with a clear idea. What's your goal? A tutorial? A product review? Or maybe a motivational video? Knowing this helps you pick the right AI tool. Here are my top picks. For text to video, use Pictory or Lumen 5. For avatars and voiceovers, check out Synthesia or DeepBrain AI. Want cinematic effects? Try Runway or Vade.io. Step 3. Customize and polish. AI does the heavy lifting, but don't forget to add your unique touch. Tweak colors, fonts, and music to fit your vibe. This makes your videos stand out. Want to take your AI videos from good to wow? Here are some tips. Use high-quality images or videos to boost visual appeal. Add your own voiceover or personal touch. It builds trust with your audience. Keep it short and sweet. Attention spans are short, so make every second count. Now it's your turn. Pick one tool from this video, try it out, and start creating your wonderful AI video today. Share your results in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Rock it! If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired. Sparkles.